Hey everyone, this is Kevin, and I am going to tell you about my iOS 17.2 beta experience so far. So, I've been using the beta on the 15 Pro since the very first one, and I can confidently say that the quality has been an improvement. There are issues that I had where the Wi-Fi would drop and it would send the phone back to a cellular connection. But on 17.2, I do not see that issue. In addition, my battery life has been greatly improved. I can show you here. So we can just do for the past 10 days. That should cover both betas 2 and 3. I really don't use my phone that much, so that's why you see the chart the way it is. Other apps have worked well. So Instagram, for example, the news app, if I open, let's just say Regimen Fitness, this app works well. And if I just open the game, that app also works as well. Let's not track. And overall, I do say that the experience is pretty good. The one thing I haven't tried is the new journal app, which is right here. And it's something that I don't find any interest in, but I do understand that this is geared more towards younger users. Unfortunately, the journal app is not available on iPad OS 17.2 or Mac OS Sonoma. They should be available in the future, maybe for iPad OS 18 and the next version of Mac OS. So this is just a pretty quick overview of what I've seen, at least on 17.2. Like I mentioned before, I haven't had any significant issues, and I think at this point, 17.2, once it's out, I believe that it should be an easy upgrade and you should not see any issues. Of course, we still have several rounds of betas to go until the actual release. So I will actually update you on those betas as well as they're released and my experience. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are new. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care.